Okay, for today's lesson, we're going to talk about on how to subtract polynomials. So let's start with these examples. So number one, we have here 5x minus 2x. So as you can see, meron tayo ditong like terms. 5x and then si 2x. So yung mga like terms is yung with same variable and exponent. So kailangan nating mag-concentrate sa mga variable. So only the like terms can be subtracted. So dito, isubtract lang natin si 5 and then si 2. So 5 minus 2 is positive 3. And then i-copy nyo lang yung variable. So yung sagot natin dito is 3x. And then for number 2, tingnan natin yung mga like terms. So we have 9x and then si negative 8x. So we have 9x and then c negative 8x minus 5xy. So pwede niyong i-group yung mga like terms. So we have 9 minus 8, we have positive 1. Positive 1x or just simply x. So kahit hindi na natin isulat si 1 kung yung coefficient ng ating variable ay 1. And then minus 5xy. So this is our answer. And for number 3, kung mapapansin nyo, mayroon tayo ditong negative sign sa harap ng ating parenthesis. So ang gagawin natin dyan ay i-distribute natin yung negative sign dito sa ating two terms sa loob ng parenthesis. And to recall, kapag nagmo-multiply tayo ng the same sign, ang result niya ay positive. And kapag naman negative times positive, so kahit pa magkapalit pa yan, ang result niya ay negative. Okay? So let's continue. So let's copy first this one. So that is 8x minus 6y. And then tanggalin natin yung parenthesis. And then negative times positive 4. So that is negative. And then negative times positive. So that is negative. So we have negative 2y. And then next, i-group natin yung mga like terms. So we have 8x and then si negative 4x. And then we have also negative 6y and then negative 2y. So make sure you know to add and subtract integers. So 8x minus 4x. So that is positive 4x. And then negative 6y minus 2y. So that is negative 8y. So ito na ang ating sagot. So let's proceed for more example. Number 4. So as you can see, meron tayo ditong negative sign in front of the parenthesis. So first, i-copy muna natin si 5a squared plus 2a minus 7. And now, distribute natin itong negative sign. So, negative times negative. So, that is positive. Then, negative times negative. So, that is also positive. Then, last, negative times positive. So, that is negative. And then, i-group natin yung mga like terms. So, we have 5a squared and then si 2a squared. And we have also positive 2a and then c 13a. Now, kung sanay na kayo, kahit wag nyo nang i-group, pwede namang diretso. And then last, we have yung constant natin, si negative 7 and then si negative 6. So, pwede na natin i-combine yung mga like terms. So, 5 plus 2, we have 7a squared. And then 2 plus 13, we have 15a. And then negative 7 minus 6, so that is negative 13. So therefore, ito na ang ating final answer. And then for number 5, okay, so let's copy muna si 8 and then i-distribute natin yung negative sign. So negative times positive, so we have negative, and then negative times negative, we have positive. And then again, negative times negative, so that is positive. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating sign sa ating parenthesis ay binaligtad lang natin. So our like terms here is si 8 and then si positive 10. So si negative d squared plus d ay walang like terms. So ang like terms lang natin dito ay si 8 plus 10. So 8 plus 10 ay positive 18 minus d squared plus d. So therefore, ito na ang ating sagot. And then for number 6, let's copy first 5z squared minus 12z. Then distribute natin yung negative sign. So negative times negative, so that is positive. And also positive 8. And our like terms here, so kopyahin natin si 5z squared since wala siyang like terms. So we have negative 12z and then si positive 4z. And then last c positive 8. So let's now combine like terms. Negative 12z plus 4z. So that is negative 8z plus 8. So ito na ang ating final answer. And then for number 7. So first, let's copy 8x squared plus 7x. And then distribute natin tong negative sign. So negative times positive 4. So that is negative 4x squared. And then negative times negative. So that is positive. Then also, we have negative times negative. So that is positive 5x. And then negative 9. And then i-group natin yung mga like terms. So we have 8x squared and then si negative 4x squared. And then next, si 7x and then si 5x. Then last, si positive 3 and then si negative 9. So 8x squared minus 4x squared, so that is positive 4x squared. And then 7x plus 5x. So 7 plus 5. So that is positive 12. And then last, we have 3 minus 9. So that is negative 6. So ito na ang ating final answer. And then for our last example, we have here number 8. So again, copy lang natin to. So we have 7x to the 4th power times y squared minus 3x squared y plus 5x. And then, baligtarin lang natin lahat ng mga sign dito sa loob ng ating parenthesis. So positive 9x raised to 4. So magiging negative 9x raised to 4 y squared. And then si negative 2x magiging positive 2x. And then si positive 3x squared times y so magiging negative 3x squared y. And then i-group natin yung like terms. So we have 7x raised to 4 y squared, and then si negative 9x raised to 4 y squared. The next, we have negative 3x squared y, and then negative 3x squared y. The last, we have 5x and then si 2x. So 7x raised to 4 y raised to 2 minus 9x raised to 4 y raised to 2. So that is negative 2. And then see negative 3x squared minus 3x squared y. So that is negative 6. And the last, 5x plus 2x. So that is 7x. So ito ng ating final answer. So for your practice, I have here 5 example. So i-pause nyo lang yung video, and then after 10 seconds, ipapakita ko yung sagot. So yan lang muna sa ating video ngayon. So I hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.